Got an old or slow computer? Let's install Lubuntu, a fast and lightweight Linux operating system. First, go to the Lubuntu website and download the latest version. Next, create a bootable USB drive using a tool like Rufus or Balena Etcher. Insert your USB, select the Lubuntu ISO file, and click Start. Once that's done, restart your computer and open the boot menu by pressing F12, Escape, or Delete depending on your system. Select the USB drive to boot from it. When Lubuntu loads, click on Install Lubuntu to begin. Choose your language, then select your keyboard layout and connect to Wi-Fi if needed. Now choose the installation type. If you want a fresh install, select Erase Disk and install Lubuntu. This will delete all existing data on the drive. Enter your name, username, and password, then continue. The installation will begin. Wait a few minutes while the system installs. Once it's finished, restart your computer and remove the USB drive. And that's it. Lubuntu is now installed and ready to use. If this helped you, please drop a like and subscribe for more Linux tutorials.